Today we took a China Eastern Airlines Boeing 777-300 from Shanghai Hongqiao to Beijing capital. It is mainland China's busiest route, connecting China's economic center and capital. Countless business passengers travel between the two cities every day. This route is as dense as buses. On average, one flight takes off every hour, and even one takes off every half an hour during peak hours. China Eastern Airlines also has a lot of wide-body aircraft on this route, usually Airbus A330-300 and Boeing 777-300, and occasionally Airbus A350-900 and Airbus A321. The convenience of this line is that although Beijing and Shanghai both have two large airports, this line is at their respective urban airports. The transportation in and out of the airport is very convenient, which can save passengers a lot of time.
先生们，我们已经抵达北京首都国际机场，请保持安全带系好，不要打开行李架，直到系好安全带指示灯熄灭。